Good morning, students. This is your maths class, and from your first chapter, there are some activity and worksheet left. Okay, now they're not so much important. We'll do it later on. Okay, so we'll be starting the first chapter today. Sorry, second chapter today, and the title of the chapter is Roman numbers. Okay, in early times, there were many numeral systems like the Indian, Chinese, Arabic, etc. Some of them are still in use, like the Hindu-Arabic numeral system, which uses the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Another such system of numeration is the Roman numeral system. Okay. Also remember that the Roman numeral system does not have a symbol for 0. Okay. The Roman numeral system, developed by the Romans thousands of years ago, is based on 7 letters of the alphabet. Okay. They have used 7 letters of the alphabet. Okay. All the numbers are written using either one of the letters or combinations of letters. Okay, so the Roman numerals include letters of the alphabet. Okay, they have used 7 letters from the alphabet. Okay, and when they write the numbers, they use these letters or they combine them in order to represent the numbers. Okay, so symbols. The 7 letters used in the Roman numeral system and their corresponding values in Hindu-Arabic numeral system are given in the following table. Okay, so the first row represents the Roman numeral system. Okay, their symbols. Okay, and the value in Hindu Arabic system. Okay, so the first letter is, or the alphabet is, I, and its value in excuse me, Hindu numeral system, Hindu Arabic numeral system is 1. Second symbol is V, and the value is 5. The third symbol is X, and its value is 10. The fourth symbol is L, and its value is 50. The fifth symbol is C, and its value is 100. The sixth symbol is D, and its value is 500. And the last one, seventh one, symbol is M, and its value is 1000. In this class or chapter, we will learn only about the first 3 symbols, that is I, V, and X. Okay, which will be 1, 5, 10. Reading Roman numerals, we have seen that there are symbols of numbers 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. To make the rest of the numbers of the Hindu-Arabic numeral system, we either add the numbers or subtract them according to the rules given below. Okay. Rule number 1. When a symbol is repeated, it means the value of each symbol is added. The sum is equal to the number formed. Okay. But any symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. For example, if there is 2i, which means 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. If there is 3 i's, okay, they've written in the form of 1, but this will be I, okay. 3 i's is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Also remember that Roman numeral V cannot be repeated at all, okay. Here they are saying Roman numerals can be repeated not more than 3 times, okay, but the numeral which is V, okay, cannot be repeated at all, okay. Excuse me. Now if there are 2x, which means 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. If there are 3x, which means 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30, okay. Rule number 2, when a smaller symbol or symbols are written after a larger one, then their values are added to get the number. For example, V and I is written, okay, which means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, okay. X and V is written, which means 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. V plus 2 i's are written, which means 5 plus double 1, okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. Similarly, V plus 3 i's is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. X and 3 i's is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 13. Okay. Now rule number 3. When a smaller symbol is written before a larger one, then the value of the smaller symbol is subtracted from the value of the larger symbol. For example, I and V is written. V is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1. So you'll subtract 1 from 5, which is equal to 4. For example, another example, I and X are written, which is equal to X is 10 and I is 1. So you will subtract 1 from 10 is equal to, which will be equal to 9. Okay. Remember, rule number 3 is if the smaller value is written in front of the greater value, you will subtract the numeral value. Okay. Excuse me. Rule number 4. When there are more symbols, when 3 or more symbols are written together in such a way that a smaller symbol lies between two greater symbols, then we subtract the smaller symbol from the greater symbol placed after it. Okay. So for example, XIV. Okay. Here X is equal to 10, V is equal to 5. So you'll write 10 plus 5 minus 1 in the bracket, okay, which will be equal to 10 plus 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so it will ultimately be equal to 14. Now the next example is XIX, which is equal to 10 plus 10 minus 1, okay, which will be equal to 10 minus, first you'll write 10, then 10 minus 1 will be 9, so you'll add 10 plus 9, which which will be equal to 19. Okay. Now the next one, x I v. First you'll write the value of 2x, 10 plus 10, plus you'll have to subtract the smaller value to the greater value. V is 5 and I is 1. You'll keep them in bracket. 10 plus 10 will be equal to 20, and 5 minus 1 will be 4. So 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. Again, if there is written x I x, you know x is equal to 10, so you'll write 10 the number of times there is x written over here, 10 10 10. Okay, you'll add them, plus you'll subtract one greater number, which is x minus I. Keep it in bracket. Okay, 10 plus 10 plus 10 will be equal to 30, plus 10 minus 1 will be 9, which will be equal to 39. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, this chapter and these numbers, Roman numerals, may be a new thing for you. Okay, so you will go through these rules one more time by yourself. Okay, you'll read through these rules slowly by yourself. Okay, and you can ask me if you are having any confusion while reading about the rules. Okay, you will read from rule number 1 to rule number 4 by yourself at your home. Okay, thank you.